Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some treats. Yeah, let's get some snacks ready. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you all so much for your support. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get started, okay? So today's recipe will be needing, I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients to you guys. We'll be needing 1 stick of butter, and 1 stick of butter is equivalent to 8 tablespoons of butter, and a pan, and of course some cooking spray. And we'll be needing 1 bag of marshmallow. So the 1 bag is 12 ounces, and some sprinkles. And the last but not the least, we'll be using 8 cups of Rice Krispie. So in a skillet pan, I'll go ahead and add the 1 stick butter. Like I said before, 1 stick butter is about or equals to 8 tablespoons of butter. So I'll go ahead, once the butter is melted, we add the marshmallow. We pour in the 1 bag of marshmallow, and the 1 bag, like I said before, is 12 ounces inside. So once it's all melted, we'll take them out from the heat and place them on a towel. Just a closer look. So at this point, everything is well combined. I'll go ahead and add my Rice Krispie. So this is very simple and easy snacks you can put together in little time. So once everything has been well combined together with the marshmallow, it's time to put them in a pan. You can use any pan of your choice because this does not require baking. So do not forget to sprinkle in some non-sticky spray on your pan. So you can just spray them up and then clean up with a paper towel. So once everything has been poured in and laid out properly, just like that. Yep, looking so nice. So you don't have to press so much. You don't have to like add so much pressure when you're laying this out together. So the next step, I'll go ahead and sprinkle in the So I'm using my spatula to press them down, but that seems like it's not working, rather it's smushing them. So I'll go ahead and spray in a little bit of cooking spray, the non-sticky cooking spray, and then use my hands to dab them. As you can see, it's not sticking to my hands at all. So it's not sticking, so that's a better choice. If you don't want to use the spatula, you can just use your hands to just press those sprinkles down. And I let it sit for like 30 minutes before bringing it out of the pan. It is not completely ready. It's still kind of soft. So, but I just feel like bringing it out at this point to slice them, to cut them, because it's way easy to cut it when it's not that dried. So that's what I kind of figured out. If you want to leave it to completely cool off, that's fine. So, but I found it more easy for me to do it when it's still kind of soft for easy cutting, okay? So once everything has been properly divided in the perfect size you want it to be, as you can see, like I told you guys, it has not completely dried up. It's still kind of soft. No stranger to pain. So once I have separated everything to individual size, I will let it sit for about an hour or 2 until everything has completely formed. Then it's ready for you to like enjoy. So guys, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys on my next recipe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.